Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I will be teaching you simple two-word phrases that you can use easily in your daily life conversations to express your thoughts and feelings. I will be using how in each of the two-word phrases. How means good, nice, or so. How may is based on the sense of sight. It means so pretty or so beautiful. It describes people or things. How shy is based on the sense of sight. It means so handsome. It describes people or things. How quiet is based on the sense of sight. It means so fast. It describes things, people, animals, or our own feelings. How man is based on the sense of sight. It means so slow. It describes people, things, animals, or our own feelings. How an is based on the sense of sight. It means so dark. It describes places or colors. How liang is based on the sense of sight. It means so bright. It describes places, voice, or colors. How duo is based on the sense of sight. It means so many or so much. It describes things, people, or animals. How shao is based on the sense of sight. It means so few or so little. It describes things, people, or animals. How da is based on the sense of sight. It means so big. It describes things or animals. How xiao is based on the sense of sight. It means so small. It describes things or animals. How chao is based on the sense of hearing. It means so noisy. It describes people, animals, or places. How jing is based on the sense of hearing. It means so quiet. It describes people, animals, or places. How wen is based on the sense of smell. It means nice to smell. It describes things or people. How xian is based on the sense of taste. It means so salty. It describes food or drinks. How dan is based on the sense of taste. It means so bland, so light, or so dull. It describes food, drinks, colors, or even content. How ping is based on the sense of taste and sense of touch. It means so cold or freezing cold. It describes food, drinks, or things. How in is based on the sense of touch. It means so hard. It describes things or food. How ran is based on the sense of touch. It means so soft. It describes things or food. How men is based on the sense of touch. It means so bored. It describes our own feelings. How nan is based on the sense of touch. It means so difficult. It describes our own feelings. Now is quiz time. For the first question, what do you say if you see a handsome boy and a pretty girl? When you see a handsome boy, you can say 好帅. When you see a pretty girl, you can say 好美. For the second question, what can you say if you are sitting on a vehicle and it's moving very fast? You can say 好快. For the third question, what can you say if you are reading a book or watching a drama and find that the plot is bland? You can say 好淡. What can you say if the food is salty? You can say 好咸. For the fifth question, what can you say if you are feeling bored or you feel that something is difficult? When you are feeling bored, you can say 好闷. When you are feeling that something is difficult, you can say 好难. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.